Hello friends, welcome back. In my previous video, I did a tutorial on how to use Google Form and we created a quiz. Today again we will add few more questions and then I will show the preview that how our quiz form looks like. So let's get started. Okay, now what we have to do is again go to apps, from their documents, and then Google Form, obviously Google Forms, and that we can get from your forms. And since I have already created that form on quiz, which I have it over here, so I will select this. I did a few modification and I will show you that later in my next video. So this was my form. We created quiz form for class 2 and added student name, roll number, and the first question was which among the following is a pet animal. And we learned how to add images in multiple choice questions. And next question was what is today's date. Similarly, what I will do today is that I will add one more question. And okay, now first come up here and then one more question I will add, and I can ask over here is enter current time. Okay, and see, by default Google shows us that what type of options we can take. So by default time is being shown over here, otherwise we could have opted it from you. It is down over here. So by default, as it is showing, we will let it be as it is. And then I will like to show you one more option which we can use, like okay, one more question is rate the question paper, rate the quiz on a scale. Okay, let me see first over here, linear scale. Okay, so 1 to 5 on a scale of 5. And what we can do is let me first add this one, great, moderate. Yeah, okay, let me add average. Okay, so now this is done and a few questions is already ready. So let me show you how and from where you can preview what question paper you have made using Google Form. And for that you can come to this I like icon. Okay, so here are a few more options. From here you can go, this is the theme one. From here you can go and customize your Google Form, that how it will look. This image which I have added over here is by going over here. I will show this in my next tutorial. So first let us see today about preview, how this question paper will look like. When I click this, it will redirect me to another page, and over here you can see quiz class 2, and it is also telling us that wherever there is asterisk sign, that means that question is required. One option is coming over here. I will see what is this all about and then delete it. Okay, first student name, like suppose I have entered Annie, and roll number I don't want to add. I haven't seen that asterisk mark, so I will omit it. Which among the following is a pet animal? See how beautiful it is showing, right? Even the kids will be delighted to see such a beautiful pictures and they'll have fun answering the question. So my answer is dog. Then what is today's date? So it will look like this. So I'll take it today only. It is 13/7/20. Time anything I can enter, like 12, 10 a.m., and then I can rate this. Okay, so since I haven't entered all the questions, so for the time being, but all because I have prepared this, definitely I'll give it a great one. So I can select this one. Now, see, remember I have left the roll number field. So if I try to submit, what will happen? It is telling that you have missed this answer. So let me add roll number 1. Also, you can clear your selections and again add anything. Okay, this is the this is how multiple choice options look like. Only one field will be selected and not everyone. Okay, only one option will be correct. That is why it is called multiple choice option. Only one will be correct answer, others will be incorrect. And then after completing, you can submit. Fine. So I have submitted, and at the end it is showing me your response has been recorded. Now, one more thing, over here it is showing submit another response, right? So this we can restrict, and the settings for that I will show you later. Over here, this question was an additional one which I don't want, so I can delete this question from here. So now this is how my form will look like, and also see, I have got one response. If I click this, what will happen? It will show me that who has answered and what all are the responses. Annie has responded, her roll number is 1, and which is a pet animal, and it is showing dog. See the color over here. Through that we can identify it is correct one. Then today's date, time, and rate the quiz. So it's given 5, so it's look like this. So this is all about Google Forms, very beneficial tool. We can definitely use for assessment. All the professors and associate teachers, assistant teachers can use this tool very efficiently. So keep watching my channel and all the videos, and subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and subscribe again. Thank you for watching.